Good morning, everybody. Hey, I put these videos on here about every other day or so. I try to keep them about 10 minutes because I want you guys to be able to, grab yourself a cup of coffee, kick back, and watch a 10-minute video. Or maybe a little more, or maybe a little less. Whatever it is, I hope you enjoy it. Hey, you guys do have your cup of coffee, don't you? Okay. And if you ain't got one of them cups, you can buy one of those on Redbubble. I got a link down there somewhere, but they're pretty cool little cups. And it does help my channel out a little bit. Anyway, I wanted to show you what we're up to today. You remember, a lot of videos ago, I got this old cabinet here. Got it, gave to me, or I paid $5 for it. And I took all the wood out of it. This was the top railing. Well, someday I'll figure out a place to use that. But I'm slowly using pieces of it. There's part of the shelving for it. Right there. Back in there. Lots of it. Back there, there's big pieces. But I'm building stuff out of it all the time. Let me show you so you can remember. Then I'll show you what I'm going to do today. Yeah, we used a piece of it right there to make that little shelf. So I can put some Harley stuff up on there when I was built that. You seen that video where I built that. That's working out good. I made myself a little handle for it. I don't know if I showed you this part yet, but I just stick that right on there like so. Got to have the door open, but that's okay. To crank that little winch up and down. So, and then also yeah, that's where I put the doors off that big cabinet. I don't know what they call those things for your clothes and such. Audemars or something like that. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I put the doors right there. They didn't fit quite right, but they work. We just keep garden stuff in there. Good place to keep the doors for now. Later on, if I need them somewhere else, I can take them off because it ain't that big a deal. But, so that's that. Now then, I want to show you this. So, these are part of that same shelf. These were they held the cabinet, the boards up or wherever they were. They were supports somewhere. They already got the little holes in them. But then I painted them because they were, what color? Some of these had color on both sides. Maybe not. I don't know. But anyway, I tore them off, as you can see. Now they're painted the exact same color as the trim on my house, because these are going to go outside, because Vicky made a, what do you call it, executor decision. And when she decides it, I guess I got to do it. So I'll show you where I'm going to put them right now. So stay tuned. Let's get to work. Well, I had a really nice grapevine there. It went good. It had a lot of grapes last year, too many to eat. So it's not there no more because I planted the wrong ones. They had seeds in them and they were a pain. And Vicky says, get rid of them. She wants more flowers over here. So we're going to do that. We're going to put a flower there, or she thinks that one will sprout. I don't know. So also I moved my birdhouse. If you later on, you're going to see where we're going to have to add to that concrete there. One of the videos I had it strung out, but they're supposed to do that soon. So that post there was in the way. So I pulled the post out, moved the birdhouse out. I'm busy. Nobody lives in that birdhouse, but it's there. Anyway, back to the grapevine. Vicky said, no, not there. So this is what we're going to do. Yeah, we moved the little grape bush down there. I don't know if it'll live. That's okay if it don't, but if it does, I'm going to let her just run wild down that fence down that way. But right here, because I think that's dead, we're going to put a grapevine. This is where we're going to put the new grapevine. This is where my raspberries are, blueberries, and some other kind of berries that haven't grown. They're going to try. They're going to do it this year. Got hope in them. But they got vines, at least, in green. Got strawberries here. This is my berry area. So we're going to put the grapes here. And I'm going to make a little, one of these things. They made that one. But I'm going to make one right here for the grapevine to crawl up. So stay tuned. I'll show you how we're going to do that. Yeah, the first thing you want to do is find the middle of where you want to put this thing. And I did. Then you want to level up the first board like I did. Then you want to find this, something that you can use as a spacer. Now, and that's what I'm going to do right there. That's going to be the space. Let's see the difference between each one. So now I just put them on there, hold that spacer up between each one, and they'll all be level, plumb, levels, plumb. And then we'll put them up and we'll see what it is, and that'll be the trellis. Free, all except for the screws. The screws I had didn't work. All right, we got the second one put up there. By using the spacer in there, you can also get the top level. And now then I'm gonna go put one down here, and then we'll do the same thing that way. I'll show you that right now. But that spacer keeps it level and plumb. You guys ever notice how you start doing something and the neighbor's got to mow his yard right then? Oh well, at least it looks pretty around here. That's done, guys. That's what she's gonna look like. Now the vine will just come in, it'll go back behind there, and then out here, then around there, and it'll fill in that area right there. I don't know if that tree will live or not. If it does, it stays. If it don't, I guess it dies. But that's that. There's my new grape trellis. All I need is to go get a grape plant and put her right there. I think that'll work okay. And it's in my berry patch. So hey, thanks for following, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Maybe even drop me a comment. I do read all the comments you put on here. It will help my channel greatly.